Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 5065E tractor, the four-wheel drive cab tractor with a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 150 hours. It's practically a new tractor. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty. Has the heavy-duty front bucket on it. It does have the John Deere style hookup for your bucket connection. Front grill guards here. Paint looks like new. It's a very, very sharp tractor. Tires are excellent. 11.224s up front, 16.930s in the back, which is a little larger than most. Corner post exhaust. Front and rear work lights on the cab. Rear remote. Telescopic arms. Stabilizer bars, not the chains. 540/540E PTO. This tractor is really well equipped. Looking for a 65 horsepower tractor, cab and loader to do some feeding or haying with it. This is going to be a really nice option. Inside the cab, it looks like new as well. Plastic still on the seat. Got your PTO 540/540E selector back here behind the seat. Four-wheel drive engagement right here beside the seat as well. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. 12-speed transmission, 3 ranges in the short lever, 4 synchronized gears in the larger lever, 3-point hydraulic, PTO, hand throttle all over there to the right. Up top you have the radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Foot throttle, brakes, clutch pedal all down below. We do take trades, also do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us.